Okay, welcome back. So, you join me again for another drive, POV style. This time we are going to go somewhere different. I'm not sure where yet. So, let's start the car. Yeah, petrol thing. Okay, off we go. Back in the 997. Sport on today, I think. Not the bumpy suspension. Okay. So again, another drive through the Cotswolds. It's spring at the moment, and the weather is getting slightly nicer, a bit warmer, which is great. So I think we'll go right. So yeah, talking about the specs in this car, I don't know if I've done this before, but it's got it's PDK, it's got the Chrono pack, Sport Plus, PASM. This one's got the sport seats, which I will show you at some point, and the crest in the seats, which looks good on the headrests. Really like that. Yeah, it's a good spec car. It's black with black interior. I've always kind of gone for black cars. It's just kind of been my thing for some reason. This one again has got the Bose stereo, which is I think a must. Okay, off we go. There's great driving roads around here, fantastic, open, kind of on quite high ground, so kind of just flat for the moment anyway, and some of these roads are just my favourite. Yeah, really corners, sweeping bends, fantastic, and it's yeah, it's always great to drive this car up here. And if you're able to get a 997 Gen 1 or Gen 2, they're great cars. G-Wagon, that was a G-Wagon. Navy blue, I think. Very nice. before, I think I'd like to upgrade the steering wheel to the Sport Design steering wheel. So instead of the buttons, you have the paddle shift, which I think I definitely prefer. I mean, I'm used to the buttons now, but I've seen some wheels, you know, second hand for pretty good price, so I might be upgrading the steering wheel to the Sport Design wheel. So we're coming into a place called Nailsworth now, which is a pretty little Cotswolds village again. Little Alpine style mountain raid. Right, so I think I'll pull over and we'll end this one here. I just sort of put in here. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and subscribe. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and join me on the next one.